So now we are in a different scenery. I decided, you know what, let's go in my room and do this because I was tired of filming in the kitchen. Let's change it up. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like. Like I said, no product. All I had was back and clipped up. And I'm sorry if you see some of my deodorant. Hey, at least you know I got deodorant, boo, and not smelling musty. Alright, so I already did the back of it because I wanted to try it out first to make sure it was exactly how I wanted it to be. And I'm gonna say this, I totally forgot that once something is still warm, it's in its looser state. So it's still warm, so it's super liquidy, but I still have that slip, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. Sorry, this is Izzy. She's right next to the camera. I thought she was sleeping for her nap and she said psych, so she's here with me. So if you hear her, I do apologize for that. But let me go ahead and show you what this back is looking like. So this is what the back looks like. Super defined, and it is moisturized and shiny, and it's just exactly what I wanted. Yes, honey, them curls are definitely popping. Okay, now let's start with the front. Now I don't know how exactly I want to do the front yet. I don't know if I just want to do like a half up half down type situation, and I think I'm probably gonna do that. Ooh, oh my god. What I'm gonna do is apply it to the front of my hair, brush it into a pony, and then focus on this right here. Now I'm gonna do like my little baby hairs, my, you know, sideburns, all that kind of good stuff. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Well, I'm gonna take my water bottle and kind of spritz my hair a little bit just to loosen it up so that I can detangle. Feels good. I'm gonna just take my brush and kind of brush it. And I'm sorry, but I do not have a mirror, so I can't see really what I'm doing. Alright, so I have this super liquidy mixture, and now I'm just gonna take, see, now it's starting to harden up a little bit. Ooh. I'm gonna take it and use it in the front so I can lay my hair down. Oh, so much hair. Now I am going to be 100% completely honest with you guys. I am going to use my Gorilla Snap for my edges because, I mean, let's be honest, this right here, does not give me a super sleek look like I want it to. Up, baby. So yeah, it does not give me a super sleek look like I like whenever I wear my hair like in ponies and stuff like that. So I'm gonna take my Gorilla Snap and put it, mainly focusing it on my edges. Time to get these babies laid. And honestly, this style is probably gonna last me for a full week, no lie. So not even paying attention to the battery on my camera, it died. So I didn't do anything but pop my hair into this pony. That's all I did. Now I look like a 12-year-old child, but it's okay. So yeah. But on another note, I totally forgot how legit this girl is not is. This girl is real. Stop. So now I am just going to work with my pony in sections. Alright, so now we're gonna do the baby hairs, boo. So I literally cannot move my edges like I want to. So I tried doing just a little bit of something, but it is not budging at all. So I'm gonna just do it off camera for the pictures. And my hair is already dry in the back, so I can just like fluff, but I'm not gonna fluff too much because I do want it to last.
Ma?